Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I'll show you how to create a link tree and add it directly to your Instagram profile so all your links are in one place. So let's get started without any further delay. Simply open your Linktree app, wait for it to load, and after it loads, simply click on the Linktree / your username icon. After you click it, a pop-up will appear saying link copied. Once you have got that confirmation, simply close the Linktree app and open your Instagram, and you can simply go to your profile icon at the bottom of the screen, and in here simply click on edit profile. After that, you can add that link to your bio. Otherwise, you can also add it to link, that is add external link. If you click here once, you will see a pop-up saying paste. If you paste it, the Linktree URL will directly paste to your Instagram bio or links option. You can also add a title for this link as well, and once you are happy with the title, simply click on done, and that's it. Your Linktree is now live on Instagram. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.